So if your Logitech MX Ergo start to, scroll a little bit weirdly and it doesn't feel like when it was brand new and the ball is kind of stuck, it's just because there is some dirt inside your mice. As you can see here, it's a little bit of dust that fall from the ball. So yeah, let's just remove that. And we'll go now inside the mice. So just right here, you see there is a little hole. We're gonna turn off the mice first. And we will use a pen to push out the ball. Just like that. And as you can see already, well, there is a lot of dust inside. Let's bring the light. Yeah, a lot of dust. As you can see at the end of the hole, there is the sensor, but that's not where the problem is. The problem is all around. You've got those little rollers that help your ball to scroll well all the time. So yeah, just take your finger and remove the dust from there. At the end, you can take a cloth and make a better job cleaning everything, and everything should be fine. As you can see, everything is already much more cleaner. So yeah, at the end, take your ball, put it on the mice, and push it back inside. So turn it back on, and your mice is ready to work like a brand new one.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!